Understanding heat engines. A simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of heat engines. Whether you're an English learner, a science enthusiast, or just curious, this video will help you understand what heat engines are and how they work. So, let's dive in. A heat engine is a type of engine that converts heat energy into mechanical work. It usually involves a working substance, like steam or gas, that changes state as it absorbs and releases heat. This is the core principle behind many machines, from car engines to power plants. Understanding this can help us appreciate how much of our modern world operates. Heat engines operate based on two fundamental concepts: thermal energy and mechanical work. Thermal energy is the energy that comes from heat, usually produced by burning fuel. Mechanical work is the output, like the movement of a car or the turning of a turbine. The engine converts the thermal energy into this usable work. There are several types of heat engines, each with unique features. Internal combustion engines. These are commonly found in cars. Fuel burns inside the engine, creating heat that drives the engine. External combustion engines. Here, the fuel burns outside the engine. Steam engines are a classic example. Stirling engines. These use a fixed amount of gas heated and cooled in a cycle, producing movement. The science governing heat engines is called thermodynamics. It involves laws that dictate energy transfer and efficiency. The first law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only changed in form. The second law deals with entropy, implying that no engine can be 100% efficient. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of heat engines and their role in our daily lives. Remember, these engines are not just mechanical marvels but also fundamental applications of scientific principles. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.